Whatever it is, it's deep. I'm hoping it's not like a sprinkler head or something. I don't think it's a sprinkler head, because a sprinkler head would be like right there. But I did find some awesome jewelry in this curb strip here today. I have been on a jewelry spree, man. Gold, silver, Indian head. Beautiful, beautiful Indian head. But my GoPro didn't record the Indian head. I'll have to look at it and see if it got the gold and the silver. But yeah, this sucker's deep, man. Whatever it is. Ooh, there's some brick down there. See that? There's some brick. Ooh, there's some ceramic too. That's good. That's a really good sign, man. It's probably gonna be like a big piece of steel down here, but yeah, this is really good, man. This is excellent. Oh, look at that ceramic coming out of the hole. Yeah. Oh, it's right there. Whatever it is. Oh, look at that. Look at that, man. Oh, dude. That's beautiful. Let me turn my pinpointer off because my metal detector is not liking it this morning. Gonna scrub this. What do we have here? Oh boy, look at that. Look at that pretty on that thing. Look at that. Oh, wow. I have just died and gone to heaven with the jewelry and the silver and the gold today. Oh, man, look at that. Look at that brooch, man. It's like some kind of buckle. Look at that. Wow, man. That is, ooh, it's really fragile there. But look at that pretty. Oh, jeez. That is awesome, man. Let me clean it off here. Get a good thumbnail of that sucker right there.